G'day, here's a parcel of Nobby opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. The rule's in millimetres. The material's been wetted to help highlight the colours and the patterns in the material. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. I'm not sure if I said the rule's in millimetres. Anyway, it still is. Interesting eye of colour in the middle there. Around here's crystal. Little seam of colour there. Example of the Nobby's being encapsulated in the clay. They're from pinhead size up. So I've got a bit of colour in them there. Nice seam running through there. A few more little bits there to look at as well. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.